Okay, so this is our third activity for coordinates, and the title of this one is called Auto Farmer. And if you look here, you will see that we are going to spawn sheep, and then we will herd them by creating a pen, P-E-N. So if you notice here, look at this image right here. This, let's assume we're talking about the z-index, and the z-index is typically north and south. Negative numbers are north, positive numbers are south. So just keep that in mind. So this is going on the player walk event handler. When we walk, which is our event, we're going to spawn sheep behind us. One. You could change it if you want to. And it can get pretty busy pretty quick because every time we walk, every step we take, we're technically spawning a sheep. Now keep in mind that you can use the /kill@e or kill all entities command, and the toughest part of this activity is building our pen. And what we're going to do is we're going to use our chat command and the text pen to create a pen, 4 sides that will enclose our sheep. And so here is my code. We've got our chat command up already. We're going to type in pen here and the different fence types just for the different sides. So we'll start with oak, and let's start with our first side, which will be the north and side or the south side. So we're going to go from 5 to -5, and we're going to put 4 right here because this is going to be a 5-block high wall. Now what they said is up to this point we've been thinking about XYZ as being east, west, up, down, and south, north, but consider using different words when building this pen. So for this first block, let's assume that the X is our length, the Y is our height, and the Z is the thickness of our pen wall. So again, length, X is length, right? So the length of this is going to be 11 from 5, sorry, to -5. So that's going to be an 11 block long pen. It's 0 to 4, which is a 4-block high pen, and then the thickness for this will be just 1. So to show it to you, let's just do this real quick. And I'm going to click pen or type pen, and you can see that behind me it just made a pen, at least the first part of a pen. Go back to our code builder. We're going to pull out our on-walk event handler. We're going to spawn a sheep behind us. That's the easy part. And then we're going to complete our pen. So let's do that. Let's duplicate this. So that was behind us. That's the south side of our pen, right? So it extended all the way out to -5. So we're going to go from -5 and stay on that -5 for the from and the to. 0, 4 is still our height. That's a 5-block high wall. But here's the, this kind of changed the way it flip-flopped here. But this is our length, right? So from 1 to 21, that will make it a 20-block long fence. So let's type in fence here and choose a different color just so we can see it. Now that is the right side of our wall. This is the left side. So let's see here, 5, 5. We're going to go change that to +5. +5, 0, 4, 1, 21. And then for the last or the north side of our fence, we're going to type We're going to go back to kind of how we started, from 5 to -5, and from 21 to 21. So it will stay, that's our thickness, really. So as we walk, sheep will spawn. Just going to run around for a second and spawn a lot of them. And then while I'm standing here in the middle, I'm going to type pen, and hopefully that will enclose them. At least it did over here. And as you can see, we have it enclosing our sheep. And so we've got a few sheep. As I walk, I'm running now, but as I walk, I can spawn some more sheep in here if I want to. So that is our auto farmer activity.